The secret sauce of success, why self-concept is your superpower. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about personal growth. It's about unlocking the very core of your potential. We're talking about self-concept. The most potent manifestation method you've ever encountered. Imagine yourself as a caterpillar, crawling along the ground. That was Malvi Ka, a brilliant artist, but plagued by self-doubt. Who am I to dream of exhibiting my work? She'd think. But then, she stumbled upon the magic of self-concept. Malvi Ka started seeing herself as a confident, successful artist. She envisioned her work hanging in galleries, inspiring others. She surrounded herself with positive influences and actively sought opportunities. Fast forward 6 months. Malvi Ka's first solo exhibition is a roaring success. Her self-concept transformation literally manifested her dream life. Now, Malvi Ka's story isn't just a heartwarming anecdote. It's a testament to the incredible power of self-concept. The science of self-confidence. Psychology tells us that our self-concept, our beliefs about ourselves, shapes our reality. A positive self-concept fuels confidence, motivation, and resilience. It allows us to see challenges as opportunities and setbacks as temporary roadblocks. Legendary football coach Paul Bryant said it perfectly: "You are what you believe yourself to be." Research backs this up. Studies show that people with a strong self-concept are more likely to achieve their goals, experience better relationships, and enjoy greater overall well-being. Building your self-concept powerhouse. Alright, let's get practical. How do you build a self-concept that empowers you to manifest your dreams? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Awareness is key. The first step is understanding your current self-concept. Grab a pen and paper, folks. Write down your strengths, your talents, and even your perceived weaknesses. Be honest, but don't be self-deprecating. Recognizing your strengths is crucial for building confidence. But acknowledging areas for growth allows you to set realistic goals and focus on improvement. 2. Reframing your narrative. We all have that inner critic. But it's time to rewrite the script. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Are you telling yourself, "I'm not good enough"? Replace it with, "I am capable and worthy of success." Remember, your thoughts are powerful. Choose empowering ones. 3. Inspiration all around. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read biographies of people who inspire you. Watch interviews with successful individuals. Let their stories fuel your fire and remind you that anything is possible. 4. Visualization is the key. Just like Malvi Ka, visualize your success. See yourself achieving your goals, confident and empowered. You are the superhero of your own thoughts. Feeling the emotions associated with those achievements strengthens your self-concept and attracts opportunities that align with your vision. 5. Action is the bridge. Self-concept isn't just about positive thinking. It's about taking inspired action. Set goals aligned with your new self-concept. Every small step you take towards your dreams strengthens your belief in yourself. Interactive segment. Now it's your turn to take action. Let's solidify your new, empowering self-concept. Grab that pen and paper again, folks. First, write down 3 of your biggest strengths. These are the things you rock at. The things that make you unique and valuable. Don't be shy, celebrate your awesomeness. Next, write down 3 specific goals you want to achieve. These goals should be aligned with your new, empowered self-concept. Maybe it's starting a business, finishing that novel, or finally mastering that challenging skill. Finally, choose an inspirational quote that resonates with you. This quote will serve as a daily reminder of your potential. Write it down or stick it somewhere you'll see it often. There you go. You've just laid the foundation for a self-concept powerhouse. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks, but use those moments to learn and grow. Empowering examples and the power of belief. Here's the thing, self-concept transformation isn't some mystical mumbo-jumbo. Look at history. Nelson Mandela faced years of imprisonment. Yet his unwavering self-concept as a freedom fighter led him to become a global icon. Oprah Winfrey overcame a childhood of poverty to become a media mogul. Stephen Hawking, diagnosed with a debilitating disease at a young age, used his self-concept as a brilliant mind to revolutionize physics. These individuals didn't let their circumstances define them. They redefined themselves and, in turn, redefined the world. You are the architect. You have within you the power to create your reality. Your self-concept is the architect's blueprint. Design a self-image that reflects your potential, not your limitations. Believe in yourself. Take action. And watch your dreams manifest. Let's keep the conversation going. Share your biggest takeaway from this video in the comments below. And if you're feeling inspired, share your self-concept transformation journey with the community. And hey, please like and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. Remember, you are not your circumstances. You are the architect of your own self-concept. Go out there and build your dream life.